How to improve your iPhone camera quality photos and videos. If you shoot photos and video on your iPhone is very bad quality, so let me show you how to improve. First, open your iPhone settings. Then tap on camera. Then tap on record video. Then select 4K at 60 frames per second. High efficiency. Then tap on Auto FPS. Then select Auto 30 and 60 FPS. Then back to Settings. Then tap on Record Slow Mo. Then select 1080p HD at 240 FPS. High efficiency. Then tap on OK. Then back to Settings. Then tap on Record Cinematic. Then select to 4K at 30 frames per second. Then back to Setting. Then tap on Formats. Then select High Efficiency. Then tap to enable Pro RAW and Resolution Control. And tap on Pro Default. Then select Pro RAW Max up to 48 MP. Your camera setting already improved. Now you can shoot on your iPhone photos and video high quality.